Hey there, fearless risk takers and innovative souls. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the exciting world of online business and the remarkable individuals who dare to challenge the status quo and pioneer new ventures. In today's video, we're diving into the mindset of those driven by an insatiable desire to make a difference, disrupt traditional norms, and shape the future of online business. These fearless risk takers and innovators often turn to affiliate marketing as a powerful tool to achieve their goals. If you're ready to break free from the ordinary and pave your own path, then this is the place to be. I'm here to share why these extraordinary individuals choose affiliate marketing as their means of making an impact, taking risks, and pioneering new ventures in the ever-evolving online business landscape. So, let's jump right in. Challenging the status quo. Risk takers and innovators are motivated by a burning desire to challenge the status quo. They refuse to settle for mediocrity and instead strive to revolutionize industries and make a lasting impact. Affiliate marketing provides them with a platform to disrupt traditional business models and pioneer new approaches. By promoting unique products or services as affiliates, they can introduce groundbreaking concepts, challenge industry norms, and spark new trends that resonate with their target audience. Embracing risk and opportunity, these extraordinary individuals thrive on taking risks and embracing opportunities. They understand that with great risk comes the potential for great rewards. Affiliate marketing allows them to test new strategies, explore uncharted territories, and venture into untapped markets. By pushing their boundaries and trying innovative approaches, they create the perfect environment for growth, both personally and professionally. Pioneering new ventures, affiliate marketing serves as a launchpad for these trailblazers to pioneer new ventures. They have an inherent ability to identify emerging trends, anticipate consumer needs, and seize untapped opportunities. By building their affiliate businesses, they can become industry leaders and set new benchmarks for success. Their ventures inspire others, attract like-minded individuals, and shape the future of the online business landscape. And there you have it, fearless risk takers and innovators. Affiliate marketing provides the perfect platform for challenging the status quo, embracing risk, and pioneering new ventures in the online business world. If you found this video inspiring, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more empowering content like this. And as always, feel free to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments section below. Thank you for watching, and remember, the online business world is yours to revolutionize. Embrace your inner risk taker, pioneer new ventures through affiliate marketing, and leave an indelible mark on the future. Until next time, keep challenging, innovating, and shaping your extraordinary path.